Okay, salam sejahtera and very good afternoon to Sir Lim Witek, our lecturer for digital electronics. So today I will explain about project assessment. So my project is house alarm system. So let's go through to the assignment design. So here are the figure, earlier figure of the circuit, on how the circuit will function. From the switches, we will have 4 switches, uh, and then it will go through to the logic circuit, to the decoder, comparator, and passcode indicator. And from the switches, it also go to logic circuit, and you will have counter, and then it will have alarm as output. So as a digital circuit design engineer in house alarm system design company, the input of the circuit consists of switches for keying the passcode. So here we will key in the passcode, and then the passcode will be decoded in the decoder here and compared with a passcode set by switches or parallel loading circuit here. And then a decoder is an electronic circuit with multiple input and multiple output signal, which convert very unique combination of input state to a specific combination of output state. So the comparator is commonly used in devices that measure and digitize analog signal. Measure and digitize the analog signals from the decoder, uh, and such as example analog to digital converter. Beside, if we attempt the wrong passcode here, it will goes to counter here. If we put wrong input here, and then the the circuit will be go through to the logic circuit and then go to counter here. Counter here act as a device that stores and sometimes displays the number of times a particular event or process has occurred. So uh, it will have only 3 times of no, it will have only two two times that you have that you only have to key in. Then if you go wrong for the third time, it will trigger the alarm here. Okay, so that's how it uh, function generally. So I have tried to design the circuit, but still not uh, still not success. So I think that's all. Uh, and I want to thank to Sir Lim Witek for this semester subject. This is the last uh, assessment. So thank you very much to Sir Lim Witek for your guidance to this course. And that's all. Thank you.